Rebecca, your young women's leader called and said that you haven't been at Mutual for the last 3 weeks. Honey, I've been dropping you off. What's going on? Where have you been?
Well, I've been there, so I don't know what she's talking about.
You've been there?
Well, no, my boyfriend's been picking me up in the back, and we've been missing Mutual.
Well, that worries me a lot, and your young women's leader is really concerned. That's not doesn't sound like a safe choice. Um, what about if so are you just missing your boyfriend? You just want to see your boyfriend and that's why you're doing that? What about if you invite him to Mutual with you, then you could see him and he could be part of the activities and um,
Well, I don't think he's going to want to go to Mutual.
well, you'll have to come up with another alternative because that is not a safe choice. Um, and we drop you off, and that's where we know you're there and that you're safe. And um, so you're going to have to think of another alternative if you don't want to invite him Mutual. Um, in the meantime, for the next month, I'm going to take you. When I take you to Mutual, I'm just going to hang around there to make sure you're safe and okay. And you still think of come up with another plan for being able to see him. Rebecca, it's important, sweetheart, that I'm able to trust you. I want to be able to trust you, and it's going to take some time to get that trust back. But I know that you can make good choices, and you always have. So, you know I love you, right?
Yep, love you too.